Hi everybody, it's Twitter Lighting and I'm so proud to make this installation here, streetlights in the park, and it's very my proud to have made this project with the association Au Milieu in this park. And the 31th October 2026 it will be a great event about streetlights in this park, but you will find all the information of this event, about this event, on Instagram. And there is my proud streetlights. This is my art, and we can find all kind of streetlights, for example 60s streetlights, 80s streetlights, enough 60s streetlights with fluorescent tube. This is my preferred, and I will show you all my streetlights installed here in this park. I cannot say the exact place because it's a secret before the month of October 2026. The 31st 2026 October 2026, sorry, it will be a great event about these streetlights, an inauguration of my work. And this is not finished. The deadline is the 3rd May 2026. We will finish this working, but now there is all streetlights installed here, and it's very proudly I make this video. You can follow me and like this video and follow me on Street Art Lighting in French or in English. I make this video in English because I want to touch all around the world with my art. This is mine. All streetlights are mine, and it's a great pleasure to show you my working. The 3rd May next, it will be the end of this project, and we can find me at other places to make other project like this. Thank you very much to follow this video and me on Street Art Lighting, and like this video if you want. Thank you very much.